In 2001, when we built this property, a little company called Timber Floor Studio had just set up in Worksop, and we noticed them. And we asked them if they'd come, and they came, and they gave us a good price, and they fitted our lounge and our dining room. In the years to come, as my children grew up, Timber Floor Studio was still in Worksop, unlike most, and they came and did work for my children. So after my husband died and I decided I wanted my floors doing, I did know that the safest and competitive, in fairness, place to go was to see Tony at Timber Floor Studio. So when I'd actually chosen it and I said I'd like it done as quickly as possible, within 2 weeks ordering, and the materials came, the fitters came, they fitted it, they're dreadfully tidy, dreadfully polite and dreadfully trustworthy, and that is important. I'm very pleased, very pleased. His staff are delightful. It does give a fair price, and there's lots to choose from when you go there. And there's always somebody willing and ready to help you.